I thought I knew rare disease as someone with a complex chronic illness until my dad passed away in November from a very rare, 1 in a million, super aggressive neurological condition called spontaneous Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease. And it needs more awareness and research, especially because I think that these rare diseases are going to become less rare in the coming years. We will get to that. If you've heard of chronic wasting disease or mad cow disease, CJD is basically the human equivalent, and you can acquire it by eating contaminated meat, but most cases are like my dad's, which are spontaneous, so they don't know what causes it. They have no treatments, no answers. It is a terminal illness that is very quick. Although I do have some theories about what can trigger it, which I'm happy to make a video about. Then there's also about 5 to 10% of cases that are genetic. CJD is a prion disease, which means a prion protein misfolds in the brain in one of the cells, and then that just spreads like wildfire very rapidly to all the other cells in the brain and nervous system, shutting down the body. It is a horrible disease to watch someone go through because it is so rapid. This is my dad and I at the beginning of August. We hiked 5 miles. He drove me between Colorado and New Mexico. He was super active. He hiked, he biked, he golfed, he did all the things. And by the end of August, he was starting to have some physical symptoms, ataxia, some dizziness. Those physical symptoms rapidly progressed along with a very rapid cognitive decline and dementia state. By Halloween, he was airlifted from New Mexico to Colorado because the healthcare in New Mexico is not great. That is a video for another day. And on November 19th, he passed away. So from the onset of symptoms to passing was about 3.5 months. It's such a quick disease process. Not only do I want to raise awareness because I want other people to know the signs and symptoms if one of their loved ones gets sick, but also because we need research and funding. And lastly, because I really think that these rare diseases are going to become much less rare in the coming years due to mental, physical, and environmental stressors, specifically with COVID, which causes extreme brain damage and inflammation, along with a lot of other internal organ damage, and especially with repeat infections. Viruses are nasty and they cause a lot of damage in the body. I won't get into it deeply in this video. I can make a whole video about that and what we're seeing now. It's just something to be aware of. My dad's body was sent for an autopsy after passing so that he can contribute to research and hopefully finding answers or treatments that work. And if you want to learn more and contribute to research as well, I have a link in my bio with more information about CJD.